Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to recover a deleted account on Instagram. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you're on the login page, all right. So once you're in here, just try to log in using your username, email, mobile number, and password, and then just log in. All right. Maybe it's not past the 30-day window yet. So you have the chance to recover your deleted account on Instagram. What if it's already past 30 days? So unfortunately, it's hard to say, but your account was permanently deleted. As official documentation states that once an account is permanently deleted, it cannot be restored. Whether you ask for support from Instagram, they will not cater this type of problem as your account was permanently deleted. All right. But if your problem is that your account was hacked and deleted by someone else, again, within 30 days, you must contact Instagram support for that. If you want to know how to do that, you can go ahead and check our channel out. We have a separate video for it. But that's it for now. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.